One of my favorite things ever that my grandmother made was confiture. It's a slow simmered jam where the fruit is left in relatively big pieces. She would make it with strawberries in the spring and sometimes with mangoes in the summer. I had just a few plums left from my tree in the backyard, and it was the perfect way to use them up, along with some nectarines from Misfits Market. Now keep in mind, the fruit doesn't have to be perfect for this, so if you have small, bruised, or overripe fruit, just save it and make some jam. The big difference between cooking it this way and regular jam recipes is that you don't need a ton of sugar. My gram never really measured anything, so this was just sweetened to taste, and it always turned out great. Start out by washing and cutting up your fruit. Big chunks are perfectly fine, and if it's something like nectarines where you don't mind the peel, leave it on. I added the plums from my tree for a couple of reasons. Number one, they add a beautiful color and flavor, and number two, they have pectin in the peel. Pectin helps jam to firm up later. So in this saucepan, I've got about 4 nectarines and 3 small plums. This is a really small batch, so just add half a cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water, then let it simmer for 20 minutes over medium. As the fruit starts to break down, mash it gently with a wooden spoon. You're looking for a very basic fruit preserve, not a smooth jam. After the first 20 minutes, adjust the sweetness 1 spoon of sugar at a time. You don't want this to be too sweet. I simmered this for a total of 45 minutes, but if you've got a larger batch, you may need to go a bit longer. Serve this with some buttered toast and try to use it up in a week or two. You didn't use enough sugar to make it shelf stable. The trick to making confiture is to use really ripe, sweet fruit and to cook it low and slow. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Do you have a favorite jam recipe? Would you like to see more variations on this one? I'd love to hear from you.